Hi, weirdo. So, how's your day, weirdo? I'm fine. I'm not talking to you, stupid dumb. I'm talking about to this little cute little, what's it called, a lizard? Yes, I am called a lizard. Here's $20 for remembering my name. Thank you so much. I'm just going to take it from you. And then run like a maniac. What was all that about? I don't know, but I heard today it's going to be raining seashells. I mean, isn't that crazy? It's like saying a gigantic lizard that's not even a littlest pet shop talking. Yeah. Everybody run! It's going to be raining seashells in about a few seconds! Ah! Wait. Didn't you say it's going to rain seashells in about a few seconds? That means... Hopefully it doesn't do its last wishes. And of course you had to jinx it. It'll take forever for people to collect these seashells. Ew, this one even has barnacles in it. Ew! What are we gonna do? The only thing we can do. You don't mean the giant? Yes. Giant plastic bag. Wow, that's lame. I could do a much better, scarier voice than you. Leave for me. But wow, that rain hurts. I mean, seriously, it's not like one more seashell would just fall from the sky out of nowhere. Come on. And yet, you had to jinx it. Who feels ashamed now, you dummy? I actually kind of like these seashells. I think we should keep ones. Ew, these are wild seashells. They're going to kill you in a second. Not like these seashells alive. I really like this sound they make. I could use it for my stinking band I'm trying to come up with. See? I don't think we need the giant plastic bag. Do we? Yes, we do. And by the way, I'm going to go get it right now. Nope, I already got it covered. Bring it in! Selena Gomez, the one I hate, and the one I'm going to push off the cliff. What was the last thing you said? Because I didn't hear you. Anyway, I'll be going back and trying to practice my rehearsal. Yeah, you go on. Okay, everybody, time to pack it up. Why aren't you guys helping? You barely did anything. You're whining already. Don't make me touch the one that has barnacles in it. See, y'all ain't helping. what do you guys have to say? Here, how about I just open that thing up and you guys could just help it. Come on, you dumb lizard. You're gonna have to do something too. There, I did something. They're just too lazy. Wow, ow, what's all this stuff on the floor? Is that seashells? Did it just rain seashells again? Yeah, where I was, it was just raining seashells. Where have you been? Yeah, that's my question. I don't know and I don't care. It's gonna take us forever to clean this up. And forever later. Ooh, after a hard day's work, this actually went out pretty good. Yeah, question is, where's Charlie? Sorry, it was a misunderstanding. I thought you was seashells. You know, you blend right in. Oh, gosh. Hey, why is Charlie in there? I hate you, Selena Gomez! Get out of here! Oh, I'm just gonna put this out like that. Kids, is what happens when it rains seashells. The end. The end! The end! The end.